How you guys doing, everybody? So, I got the Lightning Trendz snorkel lights. It's my first lights that I'm going to install in my car. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Um, I see a lot of videos of people just installing them. I mean, professionals kind of don't want you to see this, but if you're trying to save some money and do it yourself, uh, which is what would be my best way to save some cash, because this thing could range up to $500 to $900 just to install. Depends on what it is, or 400. I don't know, but that's pretty much what I got. I got the lights, the snorkel lights. Comes in packages like that. Um, the driver, charger grill, and then the splitter, the controller, RGBW LED controller, and a 3M. So pretty much you get this wire connected, boom, and so connect it to that other end. This goes to the snorkel, this goes to the driver, just connected like that. And then, oh, this right here is for your turn signal. I guess this lights up with your turn signals. Not sure, but I'll see when I end up installing it. And then at this end, from the driver, you hook it up to the splitter. From the splitter, I didn't want to do a lot of no cutting or nothing like that. Basically comes like that, right? I didn't want to do no cutting, so ended up getting where'd it go? Oh, pen just to basically poke out the ends from the back, and they come right out. You gotta poke in like you're stabbing it, right? Boom, 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 comes out. Right here, it's a little flat, small little tool, a little flat. I'm using a little tiny one also. Right, so you open that up, and then there's a little gap in that little hole, big enough for this. So you could just literally just stick it right in, color coordinated like that, and it's good to go. Once you have everything installed, ready to go, basically put that in, and then take off the other side of the 3M, hook it up, put it somewhere in your car, tucked away, perfect, nice. Don't let everything hang out all nasty looking. And then I have the last wire that they did not send, but I already got in contact with them and they're gonna send it to me, which is a fuse. With Lightning Trendz, they're sending it out right now. Basically, it has two wires connected to that, positive and negative, that hook up to your battery, and it has a fuse. So that's the only reason why I don't have a whole video of me installing it on my car, but I'm pretty much giving you a little example of what's going to happen, how you install it, how you make all this happen in one shot. It's pretty simple and easy. You don't have to take it to a professional, but if you don't want to do stuff like this, I mean, go ahead, and if you got the money, make it happen. Once that's connected, this is connected, and everything's perfect and good to go. But yeah, my next video will be me installing it on my car and seeing how it goes from there. And my next mod that I was going on the car from JLT, splash guards.